Quartararo starts to fight his way back through here on the inside of Nakagami into turn number 12. Nakagami, though, says, no, you're not having that. He tries to fight straight back. Quartararo gets hung out to dry on the outside. Marc Marquez, aggressive on the inside. The room was there. Quartararo got picked up over the line then. It's been a nightmare for the home hero. Quartararo back in 8th place.
That was a tough move for lap 1 of the Grand Prix from Taka Nakagami, but Fabio Quartararo just had to sit that bike up